Welcome back, AACPS staff. This is our fourth video in the series on using Adobe Express Classrooms tool in order to push assignments out to students and collect them. In this video, we're going to focus on students collaborating on an assignment together. Now, right now, we're looking at the teacher dashboard and we're inside of a specific assignment. This is our Getting to Know Me poster. We have two students enrolled in the class and both of the students have their own thumbnail. So this is important for you to note that if you want students to be able to collaborate, it's actually not you, the teacher, that sets up their collaboration. It's the students themselves. So I'm going to switch over to one of our student views here. So this is one of the students in the class, and this student is going to click to access that Getting to Know Me poster assignment. And they're going to click Start the Assignment. Now, once the first student has opened and accessed the assignment, what they want to do is invite their classmates or collaborators into this project with them. So the way that they're going to do that is up here in the upper right-hand corner, you'll see our little head and shoulders with a plus sign, and I have the option to invite. So I'm going to select that, and then I'm going to type in my classmate's student ID number. Select that student from the drop-down. Make sure it is set to Can Edit, which is the default. If I wanted to have a second or third collaborator in here with me, I could continue typing out additional email addresses of other classmates that I want to invite, but I'm just going to work with one partner. So now I'm going to click Invite to Edit. Now what my classmate is going to see is a notification that pops up underneath of their class icon, their profile icon here. So they're going to need to click on their profile icon, go to notifications, and then accept my invitation. So it's a couple of steps to make sure that these two students get connected in the same file. But once my classmate is in the file with me, I can see he comes up here as an icon in the upper right hand corner on my toolbar, and I can also see his cursor as he is moving around and interacting with the content on the poster. That way we're not kind of tripping over each other when we're working collaboratively. So I'm going to select and I'm going to change the picture that's here, and my classmate is going to be working on some other aspect of changing this project while we are working collaboratively. Alright, so now I'm going to switch back over to the teacher view for a moment, and I'm going to go into the student that started the project. So it's important that the teacher knows who owns the project. In this case, student number 1 invited student number 2. So I'm going to go into this one, and I'm going to leave a comment for my students so that they can see what I think they need to be working on or changing on their project. Now I wanted to add that comment in order to let you know that it is only the owner of the project that actually sees the comment. So student number 1 can go into the notifications and see that the teacher wants them to change the title, but the student that they invited into the project does not actually see that comment. So it would be on the owner of the project to communicate that to their classmate and make sure that they know what the teacher is guiding them to change or improve about this project. The other thing that is important to note is that the teacher cannot tell in their view which changes were made by student number 1 versus student number 2. So this was just a quick look at how students can work collaboratively in the Adobe Express Classrooms tool.